The content on this channel is for informational and educational purposes only. Please contact a professional when it comes to your financial needs. Day 2 of Kwanzaa 2025, Kuji Chagulia. Let's talk about what it means to be self-determined right here, right now on the Ujamaa network. Self-determination. That's the key here. This is the act of choosing your own path, absent outside interference, whether that's from a group or individual. Now, there are some times where I feel that there are so many people within the community that have so many different ideas that we tend to paralyze ourselves by having all these different directions. Now, self determination does not mean arguing for the sake of arguing, it's determining that this is the best path forward and following through with that. Now, I have seen dominant voices, people who have more charisma. They have a natural ability to draw people into them. This is one of the things that can be a double edged sword. If that individual is so charismatic that he draws you into doing something stupid and you go along with it, that too is a detriment to the community. I find it important for you to determine within yourself what it is that you are trying to accomplish and how best to accomplish that within a communal framework. Now, this is opposite from socialism. What you want to do is understand that you have a path that you need to follow. Those things that come from outside of my self determination that are not in line with that, I can't allow in. We have to determine your self path, yourself, in order to push a plan forward, or else you just have chaos and a bunch of voices. Now, what does this principle look like in practice? What does it look like in practice? There's a product out here that I use that I'm not getting paid for to advertise or plug here, but I want you to see that it's easy to do just at least one product. Even if you're not doing an entire line of shopping, start with one. Now, I live in the metro area, metro Atlanta area, that is, and there is a brand of detergent, clothing detergent that I use myself that is not just black owned, but of great quality. It's plant based, eco friendly, and fragrance free. Now, for me and my skin condition, I definitely have to have something like that. Those fragrances sometimes irritate me. Didn't realize it, but that's another story. Now that I found these clean brands that also offer the fabric softener and dryer sheets, both unscented, and I'm just going to demonstrate how you order it right here on the webpage. Now, you can get this retail stores, they are in stores, and you can use it. And it's of an economical price. You're going to pay about the same, maybe a little bit more, like a couple bucks more for this product, but it is a great product. I've used it, I've continued to use it, and now that they have dryer sheets, I can add one more product to my shopping list that I can support and do this on a regular basis. Now, what am I sacrificing? I know for nostalgia's sake, there's a particular brand that advertised that April Fresh smell. I used to love that on my wash days. But in an effort to support my community, I'm switching to this brand. Now, I'm also going to leave a referral link in the description here, and I'm going to put it on the screen as well for you to use and get your own from this very same distributor directly from their website. This is one of those things that we can all do as a suggestion to support not only the seven principles of Kwanzaa, but to make this brand great so that we can continue this formula with more products and more services.